Today I have with me Chotu. Chotu saw a lot of videos on the internet about workouts and was finally motivated to work towards his fitness. So he took the nearest gym's membership and jumped in the very next day. Videos देख के छोटू का जोश कुछ ज़्यादा ही था, and so he picked the heaviest dumbbell he could find around him, and the rest is history. This is Chotu's current state.
पनीर तो बेटा कुछ दिनों में इतनी थैलियों में सोनार की दुकान पे बिकेगा।
बेइज्जती मत कर सबके सामने, भाग साला। Today in this video, I'm gonna share with you 5 very common workout mistakes which almost every beginner makes, and sometimes some experienced ones also. So let's not focus anymore on Chotu and get started. Hello everyone and welcome to Buff Monk. To begin with, the very first workout mistake which most of us make is not warming up properly before hopping into the actual workout session. Warm-ups are very important. Be it any kind of sport, football, basketball, wrestling or even workouts. Never step in without a proper warm-up. It actually helps in getting the blood properly flowing all around our body. Basically, prepares our body for the upcoming stress. Warm-ups also help in avoiding those unwanted stretch marks, and injury can be also prevented if you do proper warm-ups. So never skip your warm-ups. By resting periods here, I mean rest between each exercise, each set and also between each routine. Generally, people either take too long rests or too short, which isn't the right way to go about it. For a general rule, you can follow this resting period between each exercise and between each set for the same day's routine. And secondly, it's not a great idea to keep working out every single day. Have your resting days also included. It's only while resting that our body actually recovers towards our fitness goals after we have worked out. Ideally, it's enough to work out 3 to 4 times a week to stay in a good shape. This is what Chotu did. Beginners watch tons of videos on the internet and get fascinated by the more advanced exercises. They forget that these advanced exercises are actually performed by some advanced level athletes and start doing it right from the very first day, thinking of achieving their dream physique very quickly, but actually end up injuring themselves because their body isn't yet ready to perform those advanced exercises, and so they finally get demotivated. Hence, it's always a great idea to start with the basic ones first. Get acquainted with them, gain enough strength and knowledge about your body, about its limitations, and then gradually move to the more advanced ones. Some may think that the number of repetitions of any exercise matter a lot. No bro, the number of repetitions performed with proper form actually matter a lot. Performing any exercise too quickly means the tension around your targeted muscles isn't there for too long. No tension, so no results. Hence, feel your muscles getting tensed, getting engaged while performing the exercise, and that's when you will know you are actually performing it the right way. Rushing will only make the exercise very easy. So, you may end up with higher number of repetitions but with no gains. So, focus on slow and proper execution. Mostly, when people start training, they follow a particular routine, see some positive changes in their fitness status, and hence keep following the same routine ahead. However, after some time, they don't see any significant changes even after following the same routine. This is because our body has gotten used to that particular routine, and now for it to improve further, it needs a different type of stress. A stress in the form of some new routine or in the form of a challenge in the existing routine. Now, if you work out in the gym with weights and equipments around you, then it's pretty much easy to challenge yourself with a number of techniques. One of which is progressive overload, where you keep increasing the intensity of your routine by going for higher number of repetitions or higher weights. Now, If you perform bodyweight routine, then don't be disheartened. You can also challenge yourself by performing the exercises with longer holds, higher repetitions, and also performing the routine with very short breaks. This can be actually achieved by reducing the resting period slightly between each exercise and also between each set. If you want to challenge yourself furthermore, then you can go for some fitness bands. Performing exercises with fitness bands almost simulate performing the exercises with added weights. For your convenience, I have added the link to some of the fitness bands in the description box also. Apart from this, keep mixing it up. This is the key. Don't keep performing the same set of exercises every time. Try newer ones also. This way, our body will not get used to and also will not get bored of the same exercises and will keep experiencing new type of stress in the form of new exercises. पहले बता देता तो आज बेइज्जती नहीं होती मेरी. So, these were the 5 common mistakes which I feel people usually unknowingly make during workouts. Hope every one of us will avoid them as much as possible. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to this channel to get more such fitness and health related videos. We will see you again in our next video. Thank you so much for watching.